Every woman I know has been buying the same bag lately, and honestly, I get it. Tote bags are everywhere right now, but not all of them are worth the hype. There are a few specific ones that women are actually obsessed with, and they keep selling out faster than stores can restock them. The ones trending hardest right now are oversized canvas totes, leather structured totes, and the aesthetic, quiet luxury styles that go with literally everything. What makes these bags so popular? They're big enough to carry your whole life, they look good whether you're going to work or running errands, and they don't scream, "I'm trying too hard." The canvas ones are winning because they're affordable and you can throw them in the wash. The leather ones feel expensive even when they're not. And the quiet luxury styles, those are the ones getting thousands of saves on Pinterest every single day. If you've been sleeping on tote bags, this is your sign to stop. Subscribe so you don't miss the full breakdown of each one.